This 2021 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, smoke detector, awning, leveling jacks, water heater, stovetop burner, TV, spare tire kit, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is 14,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.